Thank you for joining Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services for PowerCenter developers. Many of the videos in this series have focused on the Cloud Data Integration Service, which serves many of the use cases for which PowerCenter was created, but in a modern cloud-native solution. In this session, we will review some additional IICS services that extend to use cases beyond traditional data integration. Data 3.0 brings new challenges to data management, along with the old ones. Explosions in volumes, new data types and users, machine learning, and data in the cloud all make data management more difficult. Mass ingestion helps customers to ingest and hydrate their lake and warehouse from a variety of data sources, like files, databases, streams, and IoT sources. Using simple and intuitive wizard-based experience, customers can ingest data in real time or on a schedule. With the built-in data quality capability, data can be assessed with profiling and remediations can be built using quality rules incorporated into integration flows. As new data is onboarded to the lake, warehouse, or integrated with cloud applications, profiling provides an intelligent view of the fitness of that source data. Quality rules can be derived from the profile to correct data or exclude it from downstream applications. Data quality is very tightly integrated with the integration flows to make sure business has data that's always trustworthy. Data Integration Elastic provides you with elastic clusters that you can use to process data integration jobs on a serverless Spark engine. At execution time, the mapping is sent to the secure agent, which deploys an elastic cluster to execute the task. Over the course of the cluster lifecycle, the cluster adapts to the size and number of new jobs by provisioning and deprovisioning resources such as cluster nodes and storage. You create an elastic cluster configuration where you define the resources that you want to provision on your cloud platform. IICS takes care of deploying the cluster, executing integration tasks, and scaling the cluster up and down in response to demand. Once a timeout is reached, the cluster is automatically shut down to minimize cost. The Cloud Integration Hub provides for asynchronous data distribution. Data can be published to the hub through data integration tasks or through the REST API. Consumers can pull data from the hub on their own schedule or as soon as it is published, also through integration tasks or through the REST API. The hub itself manages retaining and disposing of the data once all consumers have successfully pulled the data. Cloud application integration provides event-driven business process orchestration. Processes can be triggered through web service endpoints, message queues, as well as file and application events. With a simple graphical interface, users can create the complex business logic needed to coordinate calls to multiple applications involved in real-world business processes. Both synchronous and longer-running asynchronous processes can be created and managed with cloud application integration. For those processes triggered by a web service, the IICS API Manager provides a management layer around the exposed endpoint. This allows users to set execution policies, rate limits, IP restrictions, and define authentication methods like web tokens and OAuth. Thank you for watching this session on IICS capabilities, and we'll hope you'll watch the other videos in this series.